In the crypto space right now, the best position are 1 Bitcoin and 2 Neo, both capable of making us rich, both capable of lasting the long race. They'll be here in 5-10 years. They're both doing something meaningful that will benefit not just the investor and early adopter, which is us, but everyone. Neo is going to take off. Neo, going forward, is an amazing opportunity. When you look at ICOs that have come out in the last year, they've made millions. Many of them do not have a working product at all. But try to find out how many of these ICOs have spent money on developers, where you actually have to really risk spending some of your millions. Neo, they had to dot their I's, cross their T's, work with legal and compliance teams, and be transparent. So now you have Qlink, QLC token. Within a month, they had a beta version of their application, their minimum viable product out, and it seemed like 4 to 5 times a month, more than once a week, there was an update for that VPN, their DApp. And now, just recently, they released the final version. Now it's got a name, a final release version, which of course will continue to get updated, but it looks beautiful. And now it will be available on the Android App Store. Whoa, a Neo NEP5 token Qlink only 3 months after the ICO came out. That is a testament to Neo using a centralized approach. And guys, I love Neo, but I must speak critically about things that I love. Otherwise, I have no integrity. And I wish I could have a Neo node. I wish I could run a decentralized Neo node, but I can't. And I have to take a step back and understand that this is a different model than Bitcoin. Da Hongfei and Eric Zhang, this team you can move fast. And we're seeing that. The Qlink team getting that app out so quickly. Red Pulse token, same thing. They're moving quick. DeepBrain chain, they're moving. They're getting stuff done. TheKey, the Neo tokens, the NEP5 tokens are really taking off. Neo DevCon, and DevCon, that's a competition for Neo developers. And one of the things that gives Neo the edge right away is developers don't have to learn a new language to write code in. They can write in their native languages. That is so big. What got me, though, was the amount of developers. 500 developers, made up of 77 entries, went in to create things running on the Neo platform. And all of them need to operate within the regulatory space that Neo operates within. That means we're not, and you could see already, there's a strong correlation. Neo projects are showing us the work. They're showing us results. They're coming up with a minimum viable product and doing it fast and hitting the milestones on their white paper. That is so inspiring. And what can I say? Everybody in the crypto space knows we need some regulatory oversight. Just a bit. We love free markets. But Neo has got it down. They seem like they're really in a position to dominate the two-it. Asian culture really has taken to crypto. They have the foresight to see that the internet was not a fad. It was not just a trend. And some of the most brilliant developers, instead of going to Ethereum and, I hate to say it, even Bitcoin, are going towards Neo. I do think Bitcoin is also the other project that will make us rich, and you're getting two completely different investments in the crypto space. That's something really good. Instead of just a copy and paste version of the Bitcoin code, I'd like to get something different. Neo is that. Guys, I'm excited for Neo. I think the markets are low, but if one of these dApps takes off, it will validate the entire Neo community. That says so much for the integrity of the Neo community And think about the gas these are going to use. Each dApp that comes out is using more and more gas. But if one of them goes viral and we really test the maximum transactions per second that Neo can do, boom, gas is going to go. We are well positioned going forward. And guys, there's a really famous saying, when blood is in the streets, that is the time to invest. Invest when others are fearful. I speak about Neo and its protocol and Bitcoin and its protocol. I think they're both very exciting. Please like. Liking is free. It lets other people see and hear the video. And subscribe so you can follow me. Thank you. Bye.